Renko charts can make trading look insanely simple until you start taking signals and get chopped to pieces. So in this video, I'll show you one universal Renko system that works on Nifty, SPY, gold, forex, crypto, any market, because it's based on structure, not indicators. Renko removes time and focuses on price movement. That's why trends look clean. But the secret to trading Renko successfully is not the bricks. It's the rules you use. I'm using TradingView's percentage box size mode. So the box size automatically scales with the instrument price. That makes the system portable across different markets. This is important. Percentage-based Renko can repaint. So my rule is non-negotiable. I only make decisions on closed Renko bricks. If a brick is still forming, I ignore it. For swing trading, I start with a box size around 0.35% of price. If the chart is too noisy, I increase it to 0.5%. If it's too slow, I reduce it to 0.25%. Same system, any market. Now here's the whole strategy: pivots. A pivot high is confirmed only after two bricks form on the right side. Same for pivot low. No guessing, no discretion. Entry is brutally simple. When price breaks and closes above the last confirmed pivot high, I go long. When price breaks and closes below the last confirmed pivot low, I go short. To reduce fake breakouts, I use this one confirmation rule. I only enter on the close beyond the pivot level. If you want even fewer trades, then wait for two close bricks beyond the pivot. My exits are also structure-based. If I'm long, my stop is the last confirmed pivot low. As new pivot lows form, I trail the stop higher. If I'm short, I trail above pivot highs. If you want to avoid trading both directions in chop, add a simple optional filter. Only long above the 50 moving average and only short below it. This is not for entries, it's just a direction gate. Here's Nifty futures. Pivot high breaks. The trend stair steps and the stop trails under pivot lows. You stay in the trade until the structure breaks. Now SPY, same box size logic, same pivot rule, same entries and exits. That's the point. Structure is universal. This system struggles in range-bound markets because pivots keep breaking both sides. So if you're getting chopped, either increase box size, use the MA filter, or require two bricks of confirmation before getting into fresh trades. If you want the one-page Renko checklist, settings, pivots, entries, exits, comment Renko and I'll share it. Subscribe to Traders Cafe for more systems like this.